Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name's Tash. And at the moment I'm doing 31 days of Halloween. Today's look is this jack-o'-lantern type thing. Yeah. If you like this look and you want to see how I've achieved it, then keep watching and let's get on with it. Okay, so to start off this look, I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and draw a separation line. And it's just the one eye that I'm separating from the rest of the face. Then I'm going to take my orange face and body paint by Global Colors, which is the perfect shade of orange for a pumpkin. And I'm just covering my entire face and neck with that. I now partially look like an Oompa Loompa. So after the face paint's dry, I'm taking my Cheeky Bits Rise and Pop palette and just using the orange to set all over it. I'm then going to take a black liquid eyeliner and sketch out a triangle around my eye. And the eyeliner I'm using is by Evil Eye Cosmetics and it's called the Look Sharp Liquid Eyeliner. I'm then filling in that triangle with my Global Colors black face paint. Now while I wait for that to dry and so I can set it, I'm going to do the mouth. And to do the mouth, I'm just going to take that black eyeliner again and sketch out some shapes for a jack-o'-lantern sort of mouth. And then I'm just going to fill that in with black face paint. Favorite black eyeshadow, which is from the Evil Eye Cosmetics Starry Eyed palette, and I'm just filling in the black on the eye to set it. I'm then taking a brown eyeshadow on an angled brush and just drawing in some lines. And then I'm taking a slightly fluffy brush and just buffing them out a little bit. Now I'm going to fill my eyebrow in on the other side, black eyeshadow, and then use my P. Louise base on my lid. The Life's a Drag palette, the shade Sickening, as my transition colour. Then I'm going to take the Cheeky Bits Seduce Me palette. Then I'm going to take the black and put that on the outer corner. I'm going to take a little bit of the gold and just dab that on the middle section with my finger. Then going to take a little bit of champagne and bring that towards the inner corner. And then creating a wing with some liquid eyeliner. I'm also going to use Model Rock lashes in Voltage. I'm then darkening around the edges of the pumpkin skin using a brown eyeshadow. Also giving the pumpkin a little bit of a brow. Now I'm taking a black eyeshadow on an angled brush and just drawing some more little lines around the skin to give it a little bit more texture. I'm then taking my Global Colors Flesh Tone palette and drip a little bit that's close to my natural skin colour. To accessorize the look, I'm using Pink Nades Jack-o'-lantern Tangles. And this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next 31 days of Halloween videos. Bye!